What's up, guys? This is going to be our Airbnb tour for our 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, elegant condo here in the heart of Miami Beach. It's got tons of amenities and is just steps from the ocean. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so when you walk in the space, this is what you're greeted with. So we do have a shelving with some documentation here, lots of books for you to read if you wanted. There is this key, which we couldn't quite figure out what to do. I'm not sure if that is for the owner or not, but we just left that alone and we just hung our sunglasses there. So the first thing is that we noticed is he does have plenty of blankets and storage for us. So I'm imagining that's for the couch, or I know that this actually will make out to a bed. We'll get into that in just a little bit, but pretty much all this space here has got extra linens and blankets, so you never really do feel like, you know, you're gonna run out of something while you're staying here. And I'm sure that if we did, these hosts have been super helpful. Whenever we've sent them a message, they pretty much sent right back. So I would highly recommend this space. I'll go ahead and let you know, I will leave a link to the space down in the description. So if you would like to book this yourself, like I said, it is in the heart of Miami Beach. Make sure you go check out that link, okay? So this is the main living area. Now, like I said, right here is the door when you come in. We just had a door code down below. There's an elevator that comes up, or you can take the stairs, and then there's a code to get in the door here. We came in and we were greeted by this view. It is very nice, very modern space. I really do feel like I am in a Miami Beach condo right now. So we've got the white couch, which this couch, I will go ahead and get into that, actually does fold out into a third bed. So while there are 2 bedrooms in the back, which we'll go and tour those, this one also folds out. So this space can accommodate up to 6 guests. So it's plenty big for most gatherings, you know? Now, we do have a dining room table. If you did want to cook something, you guys did want to have lunch, breakfast, dinner, whatever here, there's a full-size fridge, oven, all that stuff is in the works for you. Now, let's go ahead and take it over to the kitchen. So like I did mention, we do have a full-size oven. Now, I have not found the baking sheet, so that's one thing that I wasn't able to locate, but, you know, a lot of the stuff is stocked here. Look, we do have the coffee stuff, some salt. Let's see what's up here. There is even a magic bullet up there, you know, if you want to make smoothies or whatever, protein shakes, that kind of stuff. That's up there for you. Over here in this cabinet, we have your traditional dishes, your plates, your bowls, your mixing bowls, that kind of stuff. And then over here in this cabinet, we do have the cups, the glasses, the martini glasses, wine glasses, that kind of thing. All stocked and ready for you. Everything was super clean. Really was. They took great care of this place. Immediately we walked in, we were greeted with like a fresh, clean smell. You know, we immediately knew upon first walking in that this space was going to be clean. Now, it is they did have a laundry in here, and they do have laundry service for you. So right up here is, you know, anything and everything that you would need to do the laundry is already stocked for you. Like I said, we have taken full advantage of that. Now, we do have a freezer, and it was stocked with tons of ice packs because, again, the host was kind enough. He actually did leave us some beach supplies. One of those supplies was a cooler. So he was nice enough to leave that for us. So we weren't able to take advantage of that, but it is already there and ready for you. Also in here, you know, you do have a fully clean, I mean, look at this, guys. It is just spotless. He really did do a great job at cleaning this place. This is our water glasses. Don't let that fool you. They just put those in there, you know, so that we could film this video for you guys. So then over here, we do have some drawers. Here's all your cutlery and your utensils that you would possibly need. Down here, some more pots, pans, dishes, and the final drawer down here is just some more pots and pans. Even under the sink, guys, a lot of times people forget about under the sink. Even under the sink, nice and clean and tidy. Look at that. All the cleaning supplies tucked away, very nice and proper. That is the kitchen. Now we're gonna go ahead and move into over towards the bedroom area. So this closet right here is just for the owner. That's like the heating and air and that kind of stuff. We're gonna move in here into the first bathroom that we'll come to, and this is a very nice bathroom. It's very, very clean, has a very modern look. That'll be the theme for this entire space. It really is modern. They took attention to detail, and it really, truly does show. So you do have a sink. Now underneath, they were kind enough. Here's some hand towels and some extra toilet paper. The second drawer, though, they were kind enough to leave a few amenities. So right here is actually some sunscreen. They did leave us complimentary sunscreen as well as some aloe in case you do get burnt. Here's some moisturizer, and I believe this is shaving cream. So that was nice, guys. They really did not have to do that, but they chose to, you know, and it shows. It definitely shows that they care for the attention to detail. Now, you do have standard toilet amenities. However, it is updated. You do have the 1 and 2 sensors to kind of help save on water a little bit. So they really have nice shampoo here. This looks like really, I mean, high quality stuff, guys. We have some Argan Magic Shine Boosting Shampoo, and then some coconut oil. I mean, it really does just, you all the time in this place feel like you are in the islands. This window, of course, would raise. I'm not sure that you would want it to while you're taking a shower, but it does have the ability to, just so you know. Now, we do have updated amenities in the shower as well. Look at this nice, clean shower head. This was an issue that we had in the previous Airbnb that we stayed in, was the shower head was definitely not clean. That is almost spotless. Very nice updated amenities down here as well. Just really has a modern feel to it. So that is this bathroom. Now we're going to move into the first bedroom. I would say this is the master bedroom, kind of. So you do have a love seat here. Well, not a love seat, but just a chair that you can sit in, you know, when you come in. And then again, look at this beautiful, beautiful bed. Really set up and decorated really nicely. I'm very happy and very impressed with how, you know, they decorated the space. In the drawers here, we have just a blank, you know, just somewhere to store stuff. Down below, just some reading material late at night maybe for you. Over here again, some more reading material. And then I would imagine another blank drawer space. Yes, so plenty of storage in this Airbnb as well. I actually have already taken a nap on the bed, guys. It's amazing. The mattresses feel really, really nice. Now, over here in the closet area, this is where, you know, the amenities, the extra step goes really far again. So, first off, you will notice that up top, we do have a safe, guys. Now, this is not required by Airbnb, but it definitely is. It goes a long way. This is excellent and a really nice touch to have is a safe in the Airbnb. Really makes you feel that much more safe and secure. Plenty of coat hangers are given as well, so that's nice and additional detail. But then he also left us beach towels, so we could go down to the beach, say we didn't bring a beach towel, we forgot it in, you know, at home or whatever. You do have extra beach towels and extra pillows. Also down below, you have, let's see, there's 2 extra beach chairs included and a cooler. Oh no, I'm sorry, there's 3 beach chairs. 1, 2, 3 beach chairs, a cooler, and an umbrella. All complimentary, guys, here for us to use. That was so nice of these hosts to give to us. They really didn't have to do that. That just shows, you know, they're aware of their surroundings. They're aware of how close they are to the beach, and you know they're accommodating that. Now there is an iron down there for your use, as well as an ironing board in there. Moving into the second bathroom in the Airbnb here. Again, you're presented with a very elegant feel, much as the other one. A nice sink with, you know, your soap, standard amenities. Down here, a really nice updated feeling hair dryer. It actually is a Revlon hair dryer, so that's a nice touch as well. The toilet is the same, so you do have the water saving feature. And then the shower, I think we have a little bit different shampoo, but same amenities over here. Again, a really nice, clean space. That's the number one thing I'm looking for when I visit a space, is how clean is the space. This one far exceeds expectations. So finally, we're gonna go into the last bedroom of the space. Now this one, again, decorated very much the same as the rest of the space. You know, the colors will match. You'll have that Miami Beach feel. There is also some closet space over here with some hangers and drawer space down below, and then just a little shelf down below as well. There's also a really nice mirror over here with a shelf, so if you wanted to plug in a phone there and reach it up here, I'd imagine it would be just about the perfect height, guys. So that is the Airbnb. Now I'm going to take you and show you just how close the space is to the beach. Ready? Let's go. super, super close to the beach. Really, really nice location, guys. If you are thinking about staying in this Airbnb, I would highly suggest it. It is a great location. Like I said, right here on Miami Beach, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, elegant beach condo, I guess is what you would call it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and hopefully you can stay at this room. Link in the description.